Cross-border terror, proxy terror, terror infrastructure, this is back in focus, and Jammu Kashmir security forces doing an early action, bringing down house of Adil Thokar, who's been identified as one of the perpetrators who played a key role, especially working in tandem with the module which was behind the Pahalgam terror attack, in which 26 mostly tourists were killed. This is a two-story house. Just have a look at this. Entirely brought down with the force of the IED, the shards of it. There are a lot of people who are out here just to have a look at what has really happened. But this is a mammoth task of the government, because remember, they have moved in very fast. There's a synergetic action as far as this entire incident is concerned. Security forces, investigative agencies, intelligence agencies. Now, there's also a similar action taking place in Tral at the residence of Asif Sheikh, who's identified as another perpetrator. So all this being done at a point of time where there is a talk about the role of Adil Thokar. He's a key man who's said to have gone into Atari Wagah border in 2018. Thereafter, he also went into the Pakistan terror training camp, took training there, came back just about last year, and he's supposedly part of this entire network. What we've also been told is there's a mammoth action. Around 1,500 OGW workers have been apprehended, questioned by security force personnel. 15 of them are somehow linked to the Pahalgam bone-chilling attack. So this is where what we're looking at you is all these doors, windows, everything actually being raised down by the force of the IED. The action happened, the cordon was laid around 8 o'clock, and thereafter around 12 o'clock is when the house was brought down. Clearly messaging coming in, not just from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that they will hunt down the perpetrators till the end of the earth. This is a very clear and a strong messaging. Meanwhile, alertness at the borders, and we're talking about line of control and the international border, both in Jammu and Kashmir and across line of control. This is where a heightened alert is taking place, because what we've seen is multiple encounters take place, multiple hideouts being busted. So this is going to go on for the next few days, but a clear direction coming in from the center on this. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Bijbehara for India Today.